Hey, can you take a picture of us?
Whatever, bitch.
You can go fuck yourself.
Hey, aren't you on MySpace?
Yes, why, you're a fuckface.
I think I saw you as one of the troubles, is that right?
Yup, just not trouble number one. But I was the one to come up with it because I'm so cool.
Listen, bitch. I'm sick and tired of your bullshit.
Okay, well, you're stupid anyway.
Well, that's not what your mom said last night.
My mom is a 500-pound gorilla. Are you saying you had sex with a 500-pound gorilla last night?
Okay, bitch. I'm gonna slap the shit out of you. Maybe I'll hit you up on MySpace. Hey, slow down. I said maybe, bitch.
I don't give a shit about you, leave me alone.
Oh, you'll give a shit, that's right, you'll give a shit.
Why don't you do yourself a favor and get a new pair of running shoes to lose some fucking weight, or a new pair of sunglasses to hide your face in? Homo.
Okay, bitch. If you ever talk to me like that again, I will push you out into oncoming traffic.
Well, it was nice to meet you.
That's right, bitch.